Hi, I'm Fat Papa. Today I want to show you how to make the Chawanmushi, the Japanese steam egg. It's easy and can be appetizer or a dish. Let us begin. Hi, today this Japanese steam egg is really easy. You do not have the same bowl as me. You can use just the regular bowl that can put in the steamer. Don't put the glass that can are too thin. So it's pretty easy, like 5 minutes you can done, and then I put in the steamer. So you need to have some crab meat, some black mushroom, chicken, or you can have shrimp. And then the most important is the HonDashi, and you get it, and they have the write the instruction how many you put, and then how many water you add as the stock. Then most important is the egg, and this one most of the ingredient you will have it at home except one. I think even the HonDashi you will have it at home if you cook Japanese food before, but the sake is one thing you need it and may not be everyone have it. So if that is the case, you can, like me, I just get this small bottle at Safeway. Like I think most grocery store they will have it, and then it's like you use it, and then the rest you can drink it that night when you're eating the steam egg. So first you will add some salt and then the sugar. It will be the same. So my ingredient is like 2 to 3 serve. So if your bowl is bigger, then probably you need to double the size. And then after you put all the seasoning and then the stock and the sake in, after that, then you put the egg and you mix together, and then you can put in the bowl. Make sure don't put more than like half at the beginning, because like when you put the other ingredient like the chicken thigh, the fish cake, the mushroom, those it will be more, and then like after it done it will be bigger. So probably that you want the size is after every ingredient inside the bowl will be about 80 or 75% full. That's enough. Don't make it like on to the top, like the egg will be after it's done you will pull out and it won't look nice at all. And then one really important thing is that you need to put the plastic food wipe on top of the bowl. If you see my video, I will show you 2 of them, no plastic wipe, the food wipe on top, and then one with it. So you will see the one without, they don't look really nice on top. So make sure this is really important step. See, now I put half of the egg and then the seasoning in. Then now I put the ingredient. You do not have like exactly okay, this you need to have like 1 chicken, 1 fish cake. Just depend on what you like. I like this one, I make it for my daughter. I will have 2 fish cake because she like it, and then for my son, he like the chicken more. I will put a little bit more chicken, and you can even put the shrimp or the scallop. It's up to you, but don't be too much. Like enough is good, because this is an appetizer. It's not like the dish. You can be a dish, like you can have it with the rice. It's good too, but since like the bowl you will see that it's not that much if you put too many ingredients, and then you won't have space for the egg. See, now the one I have like is with the plastic food wrap. With that, cover it up. When you steam it, like those water won't come in, and then like it won't be overcooked, and then the egg will look much nicer. And then like you put in the steamer and cook it about 13 to 15 minutes. It depends on which type of the steamer you use. Like if you use the one I use that you need to cook the water one, then those is about 15 minutes, 14 to 15 minutes. For adult, I would say 14 minutes will be good, but if you have kid, I would say like just do it 15 minutes, and after it done, you can eat it. And I believe like it's well seasoning. It's that easy. If you like my video, please give me a like, subscribe my channel, and then click the bell so I have new video, you won't miss it. I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.